Now in this question is asking, consider the given orders of the properties stated against it. Three series are given to us and properties are given to us. First is density, second is enthalpy of atomization, next is paramagnetic behavior. Now paramagnetic behavior we can find by the total number of unpaired electrons. So we can say that from scandium to manganese the total number of unpaired electrons in d subshell will increase, so paramagnetic character will also increase. It means the third one is the correct option, right? Now if we talk about these two, this is data based. So we know that according to NCERT, density increases when we move along the period in the case of d block elements. Therefore, the second one is the correct answer. Let's solve another question. Now in this question is asking, the permanganate ion act as oxidizing agent in acidic, neutral as well as alkaline medium. Consider the reactions of the permanganate ion. Two reactions are given to us. Iodide ion is reacting with permanganate ion in the acidic medium as well as faintly alkaline medium, or you can say the neutral medium. And he is asking the oxidation state of iodine in the reactions 1 and 2 respectively. So in NCERT it is clearly written, when KMnO4 or permanganate ion oxidizes iodide ion in acidic medium it forms molecular iodine, but in the case of the faintly alkaline medium it gives us the iodate ion. In this case it has +5 oxidation state, but in the case of the molecular iodine it gives us 0 oxidation state. So the fourth answer will be the correct option. Let's solve the next question. Now in this question he is asking, for the following given coordination complexes, select the correct increasing order of the wavelength of the light absorbed. 4 different complex ions are given to us and all of them are having cobalt 3+ as central metal ion, right? But the ligands are different. In the first one, ligands is bromido, second is oxalato, third is ethylene diamine, and fourth is cyanido, right? Now how to approach in this question? And the solution will be, now we know that in d subshell the 5 orbitals are degenerate, they all have the same energy. So let us assume that this is energy level diagram and this is the level of d subshell. Now what happens? D subshell breaks into 2 energy levels, that is Eg and T2G, and in D subshell we have 5 degenerate atomic orbitals, right? And that degeneracy is lost when a complex compound is formed. Now stronger is the ligand, higher will be the value of this gap, and that gap is delta O. Now strength of the ligand corresponds to the value of delta O. Higher is the strength, higher will be delta O, and delta O is energy. So this energy is inversely proportional to wavelength, right? This gap is the energy gap, and energy is inversely proportional to wavelength, means stronger is the ligand, higher will be the energy, smaller will be the wavelength. So if we apply this, in that case, the second one is our correct answer. So the answer is option number 2, right? Let's move ahead and solve the next question. So in this question is asking the aqueous solution of anionic radical when treated with acidified H2O2 gives blue solution which turns green on standing. In the presence of pyridine, the blue color obtained is permanent in nature. Select the incorrect statement. So we have to select the incorrect statement from the following. Let's read the statement. Anionic radical can be chromate ion. That is correct. Anionic radical can be dichromate ion. That is also correct. The blue color of the solution is due to the presence of CrO5. Now this is incorrect. Why? Because in this reaction CrO5 forms and that is blue in color. And this is a special type of compound having butterfly structure, right? So the third one will be our correct answer. So the answer is the option number 3, right? This is the end of the discussion of the chemistry portion of the ANTHE exam, which was conducted on 20th of October 2019 for the engineering section for class 12th, and the code was E5. Thanks for watching.